YouTube? Back with another video. We're headed to the car dealership. I don't know what it is about today, but I want to look for a new car. I don't know what it is. I have a feeling that I need to buy a new car. I don't know. I need something new, something fresh. I'm headed to the automall, so they're gonna have Dodge, Ford, and all the other manufacturers. I'm definitely gonna hit up BMW, so I don't know. Let me know, comment down below what kind of car y'all would want to see next for the channel. I don't know. I'm in a car buying spirit right now, so definitely let me know what y'all be thinking. I'm headed there right now, so let's see what they got. On ram, boys. Jeez. Is that an RX-7? Clean. Damn. I love JDM cars, man. I love JDM cars. Can't even talk right now. You don't usually see RX-7s on the road like that, so that's for sure a little definitely a sight to see, because that shit was clean. I ain't gonna lie. It's clean. Why is today the day I see a bunch of stuff I never usually see on the freeway? Oh, Doom Buggy, that shit was clean, I ain't gonna lie. Imagine putting like a 2JZ up in that or something like that. That would be crazy. With a wheelie bar, that would be insane. They got this M4. I've never seen it in this color before. Never seen an M4 in this color. It's like a military green. Looks super good. Convertible, I do not like convertibles. That's the one thing about that though. But I've never seen it in this color though. This Roadster i8. These are cool. Not too bad. LC500. Yeah, not too much on the lot today. I don't know. BMW hasn't really had anything on their lot for a minute now, so that's not surprising. But Dodge got a TRX right there. There was a TRX over here too. There was a red one down there. Let's go check out that red one. That red one's clean. They got a red TRX. They also have a black one too. Oh, they have another one too. Damn, they got a lot. Honestly, I ain't gonna lie. If there's one truck to get, TRX. Oh, there's another one. Man, they got them back to back. Man, the TRXs are in full effect today. Another one right here, another one right there. Obviously two right here. Y'all comment down below, would a TRX be cool for the channel? I'd definitely take a TRX, man. We would do so much off-roading stuff, I guarantee you. We would do so much off-road and stuff. So how much he's hitting for though? This one look nice. This vehicle is not for sale. That's tragic. That's tragic. My body's, oh, this one got damaged. Look at all the damage. Damn, look. That one got damaged, so this one's in for repair. Damn. What happened to this guy? Scat Pack. How much? 65,000. 65,000 for a Scat Pack? Nah, I can't do it. I can't do that. TRX. Hellcat right there. This one's manual. You don't see manual too often. Manual, you do not see those. That's pretty crazy. That is for sure crazy. Hellcat, man. I fuck with these. Let me know if there's any cars that caught your guys' attention. This i8's cool. M8 competition convertible. These aren't too bad. Got a bow on it. Somebody's getting a birthday present. What is this? Ooh, I think this is a 7 Series. Look at this color though. It's silver. Big body. Can never go wrong with a big body. How much is hitting for it? Look at that. We just walk away slowly on that one. Yeah, there's not too much on the lot today. I don't know why, man. What is it, 340 or 335, something? Oh, 340 with carbon fiber. Oh, carbon fiber, something slight. That blue looks fire, I ain't gonna lie. 335 IS? Damn. X6M. Looks like it's been sitting there for months. It looks like it. I had to stop. They got a brand new Supra on the lot. Brand new Supra 2021. How much you hitting for? Don't even have it. This yellow kind of fire though, I ain't gonna lie. You guys like the Supras? I don't know. They're cool. They sound good. But the shape of them kind of is a little weird to me. They're obviously on the Z4 frame, so it's a little kind of small in the shape. But I don't know. They're cool. I like the back end of them. The front end's a little weird to me. Compared to this, four-door Aston Martin. Dang, 62,000. Aston Martin, y'all like the Aston Martins? I don't know about that. 62,000 though, that's not bad for an Aston Martin though. That's a luxury sports car right there for sure. The shopping continues. The search continues. Back to this thing. Jeez, boy. Damn. These boys, man, I'm telling you, I want a new car. I don't know, I want a new car. I want a new car. A new car's coming. And it might not happen tomorrow or this week, but a new car is coming. But until then, damn. I'm telling you, that will never get old. That shit will never get old. Look at that. Something happened. AJ's towing. Jeez, boy. Oh, shit. It's crazy how fast you get up to speed. I'm doing the speed limit. I'm doing the speed limit. You guys comment down below, which car would y'all take? If I had to buy a car today, which one would y'all buy? I'm looking for a new whip. But that IS though, that's tragic. How can an IS go to shambles like that? That's crazy. The IS probably hasn't been driven for at least a couple months. It's just rotting away in the back of the BMW dealership. I gotta be cool because we're headed up into the area where the police be hanging out at. The police station's right over here, so I gotta be smooth, but jeez, boys. Love the sound of that turbo, man. Alright, we gonna hit it. 3, 2, 1. Damn. Oh, I need brakes. Jeez, boys. Got a Mustang GT? That shit sounds great. Just pulled up to my boy's shop. E46. Another 335 here. It's an M55 though. Yo. What's good, man?
What's good?
Chevelle project coming along.
Nothing really, honestly. Just got some more piping. I haven't really touched it.
Oh, look at this Impala, guys. Look at that. Engraving all over the place. So I think it's on air ride. It's not even on switches, which it should be. But still a nice Impala. It's an SS. Can it 63 or 64, whatever it is. I got some Shelbys back there. You guys can see, but shit. When I was younger, I used to love lowriders. I still kind of do. Engraving all over. Got the pinstriping right there too. The blinds in the back too. But this takes a lot of work right here. Look at that. All the engraving, all the whole trim too. Gold. Look at the Daytons. Daytons look nice too. On the door handle too. Look at that. Definitely stay tuned on this Chevelle build. There'll be a link to my boy's channel down below. This is supposed to be making 1,200 something, close to that horsepower. So definitely a car you do not want to miss out on. So definitely stay tuned for this, because it's going to be a wild one. This is actually one of my dream cars as well too. Completely freaking gutted on the inside. Built onions all over the freeway. Dang. It smells like it too. Bunch of onions. It smells hecka bad too. Aston Martin, wrapped in this purple, looks clean. I ain't gonna lie, I had to park next to the Aston Martin. This shit is clean. I'm not a big fan of Aston Martin, but these are wet. These are pretty clean. Not too bad, Aston Martin. Go to this Press Juicery. One last look at the Aston Martin. Them shit's a clean. I ain't gonna lie, that color's kind of clean. That satin purple. The satin purple kind of hard. I ain't gonna lie. Today, I'm telling you, oh shit, I got a boy. I got a boy. I got a boy. Oh shit. Oh my. Now he's following us, or he's coming up behind us. I'm scared now. Please go by, please go by, please go by. Please go by, please, please. Oh, he went straight. Oh, my heart was racing. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. My heart was racing. This car is not technically legal. I mean, the moment he says pop your hood, it's over. The moment he says pop your hood, it's over. Thank you, Jesus. We got saved. Thank God. Gotta hear them turbo noises and shit. He probably heard that shit. It wasn't me. It's one of them flashers. Can't be fucking with these lights. Cannot fuck with these lights. You can't fuck with the flashers. $500 down the drain. You can't do that. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Yeah, man. Today a beautiful day. California, about 86 degrees. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Nice little breeze going on. It's a little actually kind of windy. I ain't gonna lie. It's kind of windy. We took the IS out for a spin. I need to do an oil change, so stay tuned. I'm about to show y'all how you supposed to do a real oil change. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what oil y'all need to buy. So stay tuned for the next vlog, cause I'm gonna show y'all how to do a real oil change, real oil change. And what oil you guys need to be buying. No, none of this on the forums talking about that Castrol. Nah. I'm gonna show y'all what oil y'all need to be buying. For real. I'm gonna show y'all. Don't worry. Wait for the next vlog. Y'all gonna see that. Now we got construction going on and shit. Damn, they hard at work too. They putting big ass holes in the ground and shit. I'll just do a little pull for these niggas. He said slow. He say slow, I say fast. I can see them in the rearview mirror. They all turned around talking about what the fuck. It wasn't ready for that shit. Ready for these turbo noises? Ready for them turbo noises? I'm telling y'all, this shit's addicting. It's all you need right here. Give me this in a full tank of E85. Shit, later. This is all I need. And a full tank of E pushing like at least 800 to the wheels. Give me that. Maybe 1,000. Ooh, good 1,000 to the wheels and a full tank of E85. Something like this, guy. It was that guy. I wasn't expecting that, but she broke loose real quick. Definitely stay tuned. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. More videos are on the way, boys. Stay tuned. Peace.